Page 29. Bluebird and Coyote. Long ago, Bluebird was not blue. She was grey and dull. How did she get her colour? One day, Greybird saw a lake. It was beautiful. A blue butterfly was at the lake. How did you get your colour? Asked Greybird. It is from the lake, said Butterfly. This is how to get it, said Butterfly. Go in the lake, do it 4 days in a row, then thank the lake. So say thank you to the lake. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Greybird did this. Then she was blue. Thank you, lake. Long ago, Coyote was green. Coyote saw Bluebird. How did you get your colour? Asked Coyote. I will tell you, said Bluebird. And she did. Can you remember how? Coyote went in the lake, but he did all 4 dips in one day. Once he was blue, Coyote got out. He did not thank the lake. Coyote ran off to tell his friends, but Coyote fell. He went down, down, down a big hill. Coyote got up. Now he was all dusty and dull. What colour is he? To this day, Bluebird is blue and Coyote is dusty grey.